In Lumbini, Nepal, Suchi volunteers from Malaysia held a recycling workshop, teaching local volunteers how to turn discarded plastic wrappers into useful and beautiful everyday items. From handbags and pencil holders to bottle carriers and toys, everything was made from common foil wrappers.
थुप्रै मटेरियलहरु जस्तै हामी कुरकुरा र चोचो खाएको प्लास्टिकहरु त्यस्तै यता जताभावी फाल्छौं र दुकानमा त्यस्तै राखेको पनि हुन्छ अनि त्यसपछि त्यसलाई कसरी उहाँहरुले म्यानेज गरेर एउटा ब्याग र बकेट अनि त्यसपछि अझै न्यू सामानहरु बनाउँदै हुनुहुन्छ र उहाँ
A volunteer demonstrated how to cut, clean, fold, and join used foil wrappers to turn them into reusable crafting materials. With these materials, participants could freely combine and create their own crafts. This time, they learned to make pencil holders.
I found it so useful and healthy for the environment. These groups of people who are participated here today, they are definitely going to make more and more things. So I think at least their home surroundings would be clean, and they will use every piece of plastics. I'm sure of that because everybody are impressed like me. I noticed that.
因为我们有去学校啦，有小学、中学、大学、学院，还有教那些单亲妈妈。好像刚才有一些学生分享说，他们可以做来这个成品拿来做生意，听了我们都很发喜。
By teaching people to turn recycled materials into creative crafts, volunteers hope to inspire care for the environment and help those in need support themselves. Dai TV reports.